Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this class, I will be explaining about the preparation of alkenes. So, how we are going to prepare alkenes? Alkenes can be prepared by using alkynes. Second, by alkyl halides. Third, by vicinal dihalides. And dehydration of alcohol. So first one, preparation of alkenes from alkynes. Preparation of alkenes from alkynes. See, alkenes are having double bond, alkynes are having triple bond. Clear? So now from the triple bond compound to double bond compound we have to prepare. For example, if you are taking alkyne, C triple bond C is there. Okay, first member I have taken, this is a ethine you can take. It is a ethine. Okay, so for this ethine what you have to do, if you do the reduction to this ethine, you have to do the reduction, that is reduction means addition of hydrogen in presence of two catalysts you can use here. Either palladized carbon you can use, palladium in presence of carbon, or you can use sodium in presence of liquid ammonia. This both, any one of the catalysts you can use. So what it is going to happen, this triple bond will get break, one of the bond in the triple bond will get break, and hydrogen equally distributed to both the carbon atom, hence it will be coming to CH2 double bond CH2. What is this? Ethine to ethene. Clear? So this is one of the very important method. So if you are taking one more example, that is propane you can take. Propane you can take, that is CH triple bond CH2, CH3, CH triple bond C, single bond CH3. This is a propane. Okay, from this propane what we are going to do, we are going to use hydrogen, that means reduction is going to happen. So you can use any of the catalyst. So I will write this one, palladized carbon. So then what I am getting, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH3. This is propene. Clear? So this is the one method. So one more method I said, from alkyl halides. So let me have a discussion about it. So second one is preparation of alkenes from alkyl halides. So alkyl halides means what? You know that alkyl group means when you remove one hydrogen from the alkanes, that is CH4 is there, from that CH4 if you remove by adding halogen, see what it is going to happen, it will convert it into alkyl halides. General formula you can say RX, R is the alkyl group. Clear? So like this also you can say. So by using this type of alkyl halides, and what you are going to do, we are going to produce the alkenes. Clear? So very firstly, take a alkyl halide, like if I am taking ethyl halide, like ethyl chloride I will take CH3 CH2Cl. This is ethyl chloride. Okay, so this ethyl chloride, when it is reacting with the, otherwise ethyl chloride, alkyl halides, heating with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, alcoholic potassium hydroxide, then what it is going to happen, when you heat this will be producing alkenes. How it is producing alkenes? Here there will be a dehydrohalogenation will takes place. Children, here the halogen atom which is attached to the carbon atom which having halogen, that is called as a alpha carbon, and the next to that alpha carbon, that will be a beta carbon. Okay, so here children, you need to understand, here this preparation of alkenes from alkyl halides is also called as a dehydrohalogenation. So dehydro means what? One hydrogen will be removing, along with that halogenation means what? Halogen is also going to be removing. Dehydrohalogenation means hydrogen and also halogen both are going to be removed. Clear? So from where to where you have to take, see, from the alpha carbon this chlorine will be get removed, and from the beta carbon the one of the hydrogen will be removed. So during that time what it is going to happen, see this bond will get shifted over here. So due to that this H plus will come out. See children, you can see here when it is removing that hydrogen atom. So during the time this bond has been shifted over there, so double bond came, and here what is there, Cl has been removed, so CH2. So what is the structure you can write, CH, CH, double bond CH2. So this is a ethene. Clear children? So like this we can prepare. One more example, if you are taking propine, you can take the propine also, like CH3. How you are going to prepare propine? By taking the propyl halide. Okay, here CH2 you can take. So I will be taking here CH2Br. Bromine I have taken. Okay, bromide. So here it is alpha carbon and it will be a beta carbon. Okay, so from this beta carbon this bond will be shifting over there. So this will be coming out. Okay, then this bromine is coming out. So in presence of KOH you have to write. Okay, so what it is going to happen children, I will be simply writing this one, CH3, CH2 double bond, CH3, CH3 because this hydrogen has been removed. So CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus this H and Br. Okay, H, Br. Clear? Okay, so this is something about the preparation of alkyl halides. So this is something about the preparation of alkenes from alkyl halide. Clear? So what you got? Ethene you got, propene you got. Okay, understand? So these are the method. So this is the method in order to prepare the alkene. Clear? So this is the second step. So this is the second method of preparation of alkenes. Clear? So we'll move to the third one, that is from vicinal dihalides. So before going to that, we should know about what are vicinal dihalides. See, vicinal dihalides are, for example, if you are taking this one like CH2Br, CH2Br, that means the adjacent carbon atom containing the halogen, that is called as a vicinal dihalides. So both the carbon atom containing both halogen atoms, so like adjacent will be there. Okay, that is called as a vicinal dihalides. So vicinal dihalides are treating with the zinc metal. For example, this is a vicinal dihalide. This one if you are treating with the zinc, what it is going to happen, see this Br and this Br will be get converted into zinc, Z and Br to zinc bromide. Then what is the remaining product that you can say, see CH2, and here this bond will be break and this double bond will be coming over here. So you can take CH2 double bond CH2. What is this? Alkene. Clear children? So this method you can use. Understood everyone? So one more example if you are taking, you can take up CH3 CH Br single bond CH2 Br. Okay, this is also dibromopropane. Okay, so in this dibromopropane, what you can say, when you are adding the zinc, what it is going to happen, it will be converting it to zinc bromide and it will be producing propene, and it is producing propene like CH3 CH double bond CH2. So this is a propene. Clear? This is a propene. From vicinal dihalides we have converted into propene. Clear? Fourth one is the preparation of alkenes from acidic dehydration of alcohol. So we already know what is the alcohol, ROH. Okay, for this ROH what you are going to do, you are going to add the acid. So during the time what it is going to happen, there will be a dehydration which takes place. So water molecule will get released and you are going to get the alkenes. Clear? So an example if I am taking, if you are having the ethyl alcohol, that is CH3 CH2 OH is there. Okay, So what it is going to happen, children? So same like in the previous reaction we have discussed, that is dehydrogenation. Okay, that is from the preparation of alkenes from alkyl halides. There also we have written the functional group attached carbon will be a alpha and the next one will be beta. Clear? So here what it is going to happen, the hydrogen from the beta and the OH from the alpha carbon atom will get released in presence of acid. So concentrated H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Okay, so what it is going to happen when you are heating with this, see this water molecule will get released and it will be forming the alkene. Clear? So here you can see this double bond will be forming over here and H2O is going to be released. Okay, so this is something about the acidic dehydration. One more example, if you are taking that propene, how it is going to prepare? See, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This one is there. So for this also add concentrated H2SO4. So here also alpha, beta. So from this it will be converting into CH3, CH double bond, CH2 plus H2O. Clear, children? So propene you have converted. Understood? So these are the methods in order to prepare the alkenes. From what? First you have taken from the alkynes. Okay. Second you have used the from the alkyl halides. Third from the vicinal dihalides. Fourth from the acidic dehydration of alcohols. Clear? I hope you understood all the four methods. So practice it to get a better understanding. Thank you.